In a fast-paced world where productivity is key, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. Introducing the Lenovo V-Series V15 Gen 2 business laptop, your gateway to enhanced efficiency and performance. With its stunning 15.6-inch FHD display, Intel Celeron N4500 processor, and 8 GB of RAM, this laptop is engineered to handle your most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're crunching numbers, creating presentations, or attending virtual meetings, the Lenovo V-Series V15 Gen 2 empowers you to stay productive no matter where you are. Equipped with a speedy 128 GB SSD, this laptop ensures that your files load in an instant, giving you more time to focus on what matters most, your work. Stay connected and collaborate effortlessly with the integrated webcam, perfect for virtual meetings, interviews, or catching up with friends and family. Need to expand your workspace? Simply connect the Lenovo V-Series V15 Gen 2 to an external monitor using the HDMI port and watch your productivity soar. Whether you're a business professional, student, or creative enthusiast, the Lenovo V-Series V15 Gen 2 is designed to adapt to your needs and fuel your success. Upgrade to the Lenovo V-Series V15 Gen 2 business laptop today and unlock a world of endless possibilities. Elevate your productivity, unleash your creativity, and make every moment count with Lenovo. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and productivity tips. Until next time, stay productive and stay inspired with Lenovo.